What's up YouTube, it's B-Dog. I'm back. I got another pack opening for y'all. Y'all liked the last video, so I'm doing another one. Today I got Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift packs. Let's rip them. Come on. Ooh, let's go, full art trainer. Woo! Nice. Alright, we are on the second Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift pack. Let's see what we get. Ooh, let's go, full art EX card. Nice. We're getting hits out of all these packs, guys. Look at that. Right, on to the third Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift pack. Ooh, another full art trainer. Let's go. Nice. We're on a roll, guys. Every pack is hitting. Last pack, guys. Let's get some crazy. Let's get something crazy. Nothing out of that one. Pretty good pulls though. If you guys want more content like this, just let me know. Like the video, share, all that, and peace.